Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper frog. So this is a very easy way of making a paper frog and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor and you can also use it for playing. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we only need a square piece of paper. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper diagonally in half. Like this. Now we're supposed to open it and we're supposed to fold the opposite side. Like this. Next step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Now we are going to open it and we have to fold one side of the paper like this to make a triangle, and we have to fold the opposite side as well like this. So now we just have to press this part down and we have to fold the top part like this. So now we're just supposed to take the top part and we're supposed to fold it until this middle line here, and we're supposed to do the same step on the opposite side as well. Now I'm just going to take the bottom part and I'm folding it on the bottom. Now I'm taking the opposite side and I'm folding it on the bottom. So after we complete this, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm taking a black marker. You guys can take a black pen as well. So I'm just going to draw two eyes on this frog. So I'm just drawing two circles. I'm just going to draw small eyes and eyeballs inside them. I'm going to color them in black. So after we complete this, our paper frog is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!